About that much, maybe a little bit more. About that much garlic. I'll keep that out. Those tomatoes you guys did, or we did, or I did, crushed tomatoes. Bring it on over. You guys got ladles over here, Harold? Give me a ladle, please. So what you want to do is once the garlic is browned, I'd say it's about a good ladle and a half of sauce. Here, throw that back here. Give that down. Throw that back in there. Okay? And let that go while I wait for the ravioli. Now we're going to cook these tomatoes. While the raviolis are in there, that tomato's going to be like about 3 to 4 minute cook time because they were raw when we started. Okay. These raviolis are frozen, but they're already pre-cooked. Hopefully they won't need that much time. But I'm going to cheat a little bit. Once this water is boiling, I'm going to say 4 minutes. So when you do this, 4 to 5, you put these right in. Okay, the time should match. For the here and now, when you're serving the ravioli, you want these up. Okay, did you guys slice mozzarella cheese? Fresh? No? Okay, somebody go get a log of mozzarella for me. Grated. Fresh mutts. Okay. It should be melted a little better than this, but that's all right. You want to go round or rectangle?
Round.
Round. Ravioli. You can get some sauce out of the bottom, shove it in the middle. Parsley. That's what I want that dish to look like. Okay?